90% of beginners lose money, not because they're unlucky, but they don't understand this one thing: market structure. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let me show you something real quick. Most beginners look at a chart and see this: random candles, noise, and confusion. But I look at the same chart and I see a story. I see who's winning, buyers or sellers, and exactly when that's changing. And here's the crazy part: you don't need indicators and you don't need 10 strategies. If you understand market structure, you already have an edge over most traders. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down this so simply so you start seeing the markets differently. Market structure is just the way price moves. That's it. Nothing complicated. Price moves in patterns called highs and lows. When price is going up, it creates higher highs and higher lows. When price is going down, it creates lower highs and lower lows. That means sellers are in control. And if it's during media, it's just ranging and you should be careful. Now we have what we call break of structure. This is where it gets powerful. This is when price breaks a previous high or low. In an uptrend, when price breaks the last high, that confirms the trend is still strong. In downtrend, if price breaks the last low, sellers are in control. This is how you stop guessing and start reading the markets. We also have what we call change of character. But wait, this is where beginners miss. The moment the market shifts, it's called change of character. Let's say price is going up, making higher highs and higher lows. Then suddenly it breaks the previous low. That's not normal. That's the false warning that the trend might be over. This is where smart traders pay attention and beginners get trapped. At the end of the day, market structure is just a language. And once you learn how to read it, the chart stops looking random. They start making sense. Okay, let's dive down to the chart so I can show you all what I've been talking about.
So I will be slow with my teachings on market structure because I know there are lots of beginners here. So let's start. Market structure. Market structure moves in three ways: either an uptrend, downtrend, or a ranging market. So let me show you guys what an uptrend looks like. In an uptrend market, this is what we usually see. A higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. This is what we usually see in an uptrend market. Let me bring out my tools and indicate it so it's be easy for you guys to understand. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. So this is what we see when we talk about an uptrend market. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So when you see this on the chart, it shows one thing. It shows markets is breaking structures to the upside. When market do this, market is breaking structure to the upside, shows that we are on a buying trend, we're on an uptrend. So what should you do? You should be looking to buy and not to sell the market. You should be looking to buy and not to sell the market. You should be looking to buy and not to sell the market. Okay, let me show you how a downtrend looks like. It's just the opposite of an uptrend. On a downtrend, this is what you see. This is what you see. We have a lower high and a lower low. Lower high and lower low. Lower high lower low. Lower high lower low. If markets keeps breaking structures like this, it means we should be looking for sales. We should be looking for sales. So market keeps breaking structures like this, we should be looking for sales. Okay, we should be looking for sales. So this is an uptrend and this is a downtrend. Now let me show you how a ranging market looks like. The ranging market does this. Sorry, that's not the tool I'm supposed to bring out. The ranging market does this. You can see they are equal. No one is bigger than the other. They are all equal. When you see this is a ranging market. And what do you do when you see a ranging market? You avoid it. You avoid it. As a supply and demand trader, I have a way that I trade this ranging market and I make profits from it. But that's for advanced traders and not for beginners. Okay, I'll teach that maybe in the future. You understand, to when you guys fully understand what you're doing in the market. Now I want to show you when a market wants to change. When a market wants to change direction, what should you look out for? Now, for an example, if you're going up, for example, price is going up like this. Price is going up like this. And the next thing you see is this. What is this called? 5 seconds. This is called a change of character. A change of character. This is still called a break of structure. When price comes here and breaks structure to the upside, we are still buying. But when price does this, it's a change of character. When price does this, that means the markets have shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend. As you can see, this was the last higher high. This was the last higher low, sorry. So market shifted from it. It's now a change of character. This is now a break of structure to the downside. So we are no more looking for buys, we are now looking for sales. All right, so let's go to the chart. So let me just show you a little bit of example so you guys will understand what I'm currently on a trade. I've already hit in a 1-to-1. I'm waiting for my 1-to-2 to hit, but I'm going to take all this out so you guys understand what I'm saying. If you can read market structure, it will do you a whole lot good. You will see the market very clearly and you will take good decisions, very good decisions. I need to take all this out so I can explain to you guys how I got to know that market is going to be buying. Okay, let's just start from here. All right, you can see from near looking at it from this side, you know market is going up. Okay, so let's just start from here. Market broke structure to the upside. We're still breaking structure to the upside. We have a minor break of structure to the upside here. We also have a break of structure here. If you notice, when we got here, this is a past market, but if you can read market structure very well, you understand what market did here. When we got here, market gave us a change of character. Exactly what I just taught you guys. Market gave us a change of character here and the break of structure, which indicated the market has shifted and it's going downtrend. But it didn't last. It didn't last. What did market do? Markets still change character. As you can see, market changed character back and broke structure to the upside. As you can see, broke structure to the upside, gave us a change of character, but market never broke structure to the downside. You seeing a change of character doesn't mean you have to start going the other direction. It's just for you to be observant to know if market wants to change direction. As you can see here, it only gave a change of character, but it never broke structure to the downside. Now, what did market do? We kept breaking structures to the upside. We kept breaking structure to the upside. We kept breaking structure to the upside. We kept breaking structure to the upside. This is a break of structure. This is also a break of structure to the upside. Market gave us a change of character. After giving us a change of character, it gave us a break of structure to the downside. And after that, price gave us a change of character. A minor break of structure to the upside. I took this trade from here. I took this trade. I remember this was the last trade I took last week. I think it was last week Friday. I took this trade. So I waited for it to close and I entered here because my entry is different from every other person's entry. So I entered here. Yes, I put my stop loss down there and I targeted just 1-to-1. Yeah, so let's continue. This is also a break of structure to the upside. This is also a break of structure to the upside. You can see price is just breaking structures to the upside, and this is the trade I just took. I already hit 1-to-1. I'm waiting for price to dish out my 1-to-2 so I can leave the market. And the only reason why I entered this trade is because I saw liquidities down here. If you can see where I marked it, this small arrows, I marked it. It shows those are liquidities, and it gave a liquidity sweep. And I entered, and yeah, that's just basically it. That's just what market structure is all about. Okay, if you guys want me to do more of these live teachings, please comment. Please write it on the comment section so I know. Okay, if you gain 1 or 2 knowledge from this video, please also comment, share, like, and subscribe. It's really helped me to create more educational videos like this. So thank you guys very much for watching this video, and stay profitable.